Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to our basic Arabic course. In today's video, we'll be covering definite nouns and indefinite nouns. Now, these are foundational concepts, so let's dive in. In English, we use the as the definite article and a or an as the indefinite article. Now, Arabic deals with these in its own manner. However, it is very easy to learn. In Arabic, all nouns, the foundation is that they are indefinite. So if you look at any noun, for example, baytun, kitabun, madrasatun, all of these are indefinite. The definite article the in Arabic is al. Al is the, it's equivalent to the, so you add al to the beginning of the word. So for example, al baytu is the house. Al-madrasatu is the school. At-ta'amu is the food. So when you add al, it becomes definite. But when you add al, there is no tanween. What does tanween mean? Tanween is a double vowel. So in Arabic we have vowels, the dhamma, fatha and kasra. These are all vowels. And we have double vowels. So baytun, that tun or un at the end is a double vowel. And we have an, yani for two fathas, which is also a double vowel. And we have in, which is also a double vowel. So double dhamma makes an un sound, and double fatha makes an an sound, and double kasra makes an in sound, and these are all double vowels. So if you have al, you can't have a double vowel. So al baytu or al bayta or al bayti. As for an indefinite word, so it would have the tanween but no al. So the a or an, the indefinite articles in Arabic are represented by tanween, which is these double vowels. So baytun is a house, any house. Kitabun is a book, any book. Madrasatun is a school, any school. So let's take a look at a few examples and you can tell me whether they are definite or indefinite. So the word qalamun, is that definite or indefinite? The answer is it is indefinite. Why? Because it does not have al. The word al-babu, al-babu, is that definite or indefinite? The answer is it is definite. Why? Because it has al. Qalamun was indefinite because why? Because it had tanween. The word tawilatun, tawilatun, is that definite or indefinite? The answer is it is indefinite because it has tanween. And the word al-baytu, is that definite or indefinite? The answer is it is definite because it has al. So you'll notice the words that were on this side, they had tanween and they did not have al, making them indefinite. And the words on this side had al but no tanween, so they were definite. I hope this lesson was clear. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.